Have you ever wondered how a tiny seed turns into a beautiful green plant? Let's dig in and find out. Every big, beautiful plant begins its life as a seed. If we look inside a seed, we can see that it's full of life. Let's take a closer look. The seed coat is like a strong jacket that protects the baby plant inside. Inside, we find the embryo. That's a fancy word for the baby plant. Surrounding the embryo is the seed's food supply. And if you look closely, you can see little leaf. But before a seed can grow, it needs the right conditions. Seeds need water, warmth, air, and good soil. When the weather is just right, something amazing happens. This stage is called germination. The seed coat softens and cracks open. A tiny root pops out first and starts growing down into the soil. That's how the plant drinks water and gets nutrients. Next, a small green shoot grows up, reaching for the sunlight. Plants know which way to grow. Roots go down and shoots go up. It's like the plant is saying, "Hello, world." Now the plant starts growing leaves. The leaves are like little solar panels. They collect sunlight and make food for the plant through a process called photosynthesis. That's a big word, but it just means the plant uses sunlight, water, and air to make its own food. Over time, the little sprout grows taller and stronger. It becomes a big, healthy plant, and sometimes even grows flowers or fruits. And guess what? Those flowers and fruits hold new seeds, and the cycle starts all over again. Let's remember the steps. A seed waits in the soil. It gets water, warmth, and air. The root grows down. The shoot grows up. Leaves appear and make food. And soon, we have a full-grown plant. Here's a quick summary. So next time you see a plant, think about its incredible journey from a tiny seed to a strong, living sprout.